One thing that you keep hearing is where does the responsibility of the airport start and stop, and where does the responsibility of the airline start and stop? Because people complain maybe to the airport people, while it's the airline, and the airline say it's not our problem. Where is that line, definitive line?
Yeah, very blurry. So in a case like this, the airlines are not responsible if they cancel a flight due to unforeseen circumstances or weather or some geopolitical issue. It's not in their control. So they being responsible companies will try to put additional flights in and try to make it up, but they only have so many aircraft in their system. Crews need to be in the right places, and so they try to get people to where they're going, but they're not responsible for their hotels and their expenses, and a lot of people expect them to, be responsible for that, but they're not. Then they come to the airport, the airline maybe isn't here or giving them the answers they want to hear, and then they see us with an ID on, and they right away, they want to talk to the airport, and we try to help them, direct them to the right place, maybe help them get
what is your responsibility as the airport in this case?
Really, is just to try to accommodate the airline operations, right, and keep the passengers as comfortable as we can. If they're stuck in the airport for whatever reason, that we have concessions open, they can get food, they're comfortable, and just offer any assistance we can.
Any lessons learned? I mean, you know your stuff, but lessons still learned at this point after this big weekend?
Yeah, I think that we still are going to have a kind of a post-event when this is all over review. There's always things that we wish we could have done better. We had one of our X-ray machines, for example, went out for a period of an hour or so, and I'm not sure. It seemed to have gone pretty well, but is there a way we could have had maybe more people or get it back up to speed quicker? Things like that. I mean, I think there will be things we can do better. I can't tell you exactly what they are at the moment. We still have to do that post-event briefing.
There is a Super Saturday on the grade this coming Saturday, I understand, and the situation is still not completely over. Still, things are still tense, so people are still holding on. What would you tell a person coming to the airport at this point, what they should be looking for, and how are you being prepared for anything? You still have your guards up, not down yet. How long can you deal with this?
Yeah, we always have our guard up. I think everything that we're seeing and hearing in the news is the same thing you hear. At this point, the situation in Venezuela appears to be more of a diplomatic situation now, no longer a military one. Let's keep our fingers crossed that's the case. My advice to anybody is you're scheduled on a flight, come the normal time. We're expecting normal.
You shouldn't be worried on Saturday?
No, I wouldn't be. I don't think there's nothing really to be worried about. And so I think just come to the airport your regular time, and we're pretty confident we'll have a normal operation.
Anything that you want to get off your chest regarding this, especially for the locals watching this and having to travel these days or in the near future?
Yeah, you'll be fine. Just like I said, come to the airport, give yourself enough time to get here and get through the processes, and you'll get to where you're going.